Hey there, ever wanted to know how to maintain your Boon Edam Turnlock 100 full height turnstile? Well, today we're going to show you how. I'm Grizz with the Turnstile crew here at Avant-Garde. We bring you the best tips, tools, and products to keep your organization secure and up and running. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to learn more. We also love hearing your suggestions and questions in the comments. If you have not already watched our how to troubleshoot your Boon Edam Turnlock 100 full height turnstile video, please click the link in the description. Today we are going to be performing preventative maintenance on a Boon Edam Turnlock 100 full height turnstile. It is recommended that you maintenance your Boon Edam Turnlock 100 full height turnstile at least twice a year to ensure preparation. First, we want to do a general inspection. Perform a visual inspection for any broken mechanical parts. And check the whole unit for any unusual noises. Inspect the electrical components for damage, especially near the moving parts. Next, you'll perform a function test by providing an activation, and in this scenario, we are using a jumper. Doing a function test will reveal any deficiencies. Inspect the locking paws for wear to ensure they properly lock and hold. Then you will inspect the fire alarm, if equipped, for power failure function. This will be based on your configuration. Please refer to our solenoid video to determine your configuration. Check the dampening system to ensure the roto arm rests smoothly. We at Avant-Garde recommend removing the solenoid plungers and cleaning the orifice and the plunger from any buildup or grime. Perform an inspection on the mounting hardware. Then lubricate the bottom bearing through the grease fitting to ensure smooth spinning. To conclude your maintenance, a good cleaning is recommended on the interior and exterior components. Once complete, you should have a properly operational or properational Boon Edam Turnlock 100 full height turnstile. If you need on-site service from one of our turnstile specialists, please contact our service department. If you feel like your turnstile is beyond repair, check out the link in the description for a list of full height turnstiles that are typically in stock at Avant-Garde. Hopefully, you found this information useful. If so, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for new content. If you have suggestions, please leave those in the comments below and feel free to message us anytime. Thanks for tuning in to the Turnstile Guys, and remember, stick with the pros. We'll see you next time.